hailing in the middle of otherwise a heat wave. It's kind of hard to tell it's hail because it's still hot enough that it's generally melting as soon as it hits the ground, but you can hear that it's hail. You can kind of see as it falls. Over here it's still bright and sunny. I think it's raining almost just on my building. When I record these videos, it almost feels like I'm just documenting the end of the world. And the realities of climate change are becoming more and more undeniable and more unbearable. And you know, I'm getting off lucky that it's just some kind of wacky, unseasoned hail. Wow, here it comes. But at the same time, even though everything this signifies is terrifying and unreal, it's kind of beautiful too.